Traveling is exhilarating. New sights, sounds, and experiences await. It's a chance to explore, discover, and create lasting memories. The world is full of amazing places just waiting for you. Where will your wanderlust take you? But before you pack your bags and jet off, careful planning is key to a smooth and enjoyable trip. Planning a trip can be overwhelming. So many details to consider. Where to go, what to see, how to plan each day. It can be a lot, even for experienced travelers. But don't worry, ChatGPT is here to make travel planning a breeze. ChatGPT takes the stress out of travel planning. No more endless hours researching destinations and activities. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on the fun part, enjoying your trip. ChatGPT is like having a travel expert in your pocket. It uses advanced technology to understand your travel preferences and provide personalized recommendations. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who knows exactly what you'd enjoy. Whether you're dreaming of relaxing on a tropical beach, exploring bustling cities, or embarking on an adventurous trek, ChatGPT can help you plan the perfect itinerary. Let's explore how ChatGPT can simplify each step of your travel planning process. Choosing the right destination is crucial for an unforgettable trip. Tell ChatGPT about your interests, travel style, and budget. Love history? ChatGPT might suggest Rome or Athens. Adventure seeker? How about a trek through the Himalayas or a safari in Africa? ChatGPT can also help you discover hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path destinations you might not have considered. With ChatGPT, you'll uncover unique and exciting places that match your travel dreams. Section 5. Crafting your dream itinerary. Every day an adventure. Once you've chosen your destination, ChatGPT helps you craft the perfect day-to-day itinerary. Tell ChatGPT how long you'll be traveling, your interests, and your preferred pace. Want to pack in as much sightseeing as possible? ChatGPT can create an action-packed itinerary. Prefer a more relaxed pace? ChatGPT will suggest a more leisurely itinerary with plenty of time for relaxation and exploration. You can even ask ChatGPT to include specific activities or attractions you don't want to miss. Section 6. Insider Tips Unearth Hidden Gems with ChatGPT. ChatGPT goes beyond the typical tourist traps. It delves deep into the heart of your destination, uncovering those hidden gems that only locals know about. Imagine strolling through a quaint alleyway and stumbling upon a charming little cafe that isn't listed in any guidebook. That's the magic of ChatGPT. It can provide insider tips and recommendations to enhance your travel experience. Whether you're looking for the best time to visit a popular attraction to avoid the crowds, or seeking out lesser-known spots that offer a more authentic experience, ChatGPT has the answers. Want to discover the best local restaurants or cafes? ChatGPT can guide you to those hidden culinary treasures where the locals dine, from family-run eateries serving traditional dishes to trendy cafes with a unique twist. You'll get to taste the true flavors of the region. ChatGPT has got you covered. It can even suggest the best times to visit these spots to avoid the rush and enjoy a more relaxed dining experience. Looking for unique souvenirs or local markets? ChatGPT can point you in the right direction. Discover vibrant markets brimming with local crafts, handmade goods, and one-of-a-kind souvenirs that you won't find anywhere else. ChatGPT can help you navigate these bustling markets, ensuring you don't miss out on any hidden treasures. It can also provide tips on bargaining and interacting with local vendors, making your shopping experience even more enjoyable. ChatGPT can also provide insights into local customs and etiquette, ensuring you have a respectful and immersive cultural experience. Learn about the traditions, festivals, and cultural practices that make your destination unique. With ChatGPT's insider knowledge, you'll travel like a local, even if it's your first time visiting. You'll feel more connected to the place and its people, making your journey truly unforgettable. So, let ChatGPT be your travel companion and unlock the hidden gems of your next adventure. Section 7. Packing like a pro. The ChatGPT packing list. Advantage: packing can be a dreaded chore, but ChatGPT makes it a breeze. Simply tell ChatGPT your destination, trip duration, and any planned activities. ChatGPT will generate a personalized packing list, ensuring you don't forget any essentials. ChatGPT considers factors like weather conditions, local customs, and specific activity requirements. Packing cubes? Check. Travel adapter? Got it. With ChatGPT's help, you'll pack like a pro and travel with peace of mind. Section 8. Beyond the basics. ChatGPT's travel expertise knows no bounds. ChatGPT's travel expertise extends far beyond destinations, itineraries, and packing lists. Have questions about visa requirements, travel insurance, or transportation options? ChatGPT can provide helpful information and guidance. It can even assist with booking flights, accommodations, and tours, saving you time and effort. ChatGPT is your one-stop shop for all things travel-related. Section 9. Language. No barrier. ChatGPT breaks down communication walls. Traveling to a country where you don't speak the language? No problem. ChatGPT can translate phrases and sentences in real time, making communication a breeze. Order food, ask for directions, or have a basic conversation with locals, all with ChatGPT's help. ChatGPT breaks down language barriers, allowing you to connect with people from all over the world and fully immerse yourself in different cultures. Section 10. Embrace the unexpected. ChatGPT keeps your trip on track. Even with the best laid plans, unexpected hiccups can occur during travel. Flight delays, lost luggage, or sudden changes in itinerary can be stressful. Imagine arriving at the airport only to find out your flight has been delayed for hours, or worse, canceled. Your carefully planned schedule can quickly turn into chaos. These moments can leave you feeling anxious and overwhelmed. You might find yourself frantically searching for solutions, trying to figure out what to do next. The stress of not knowing can take away from the joy of your journey. But don't worry, ChatGPT is here to help you navigate these challenges. With its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT can provide you with real-time updates and solutions, ensuring that you stay informed and prepared for any situation. Need to find an alternative flight or accommodation? ChatGPT can assist with real-time information and booking options. It can help you search for available flights, compare prices, and even book your tickets on the spot. If you need a place to stay, ChatGPT can recommend hotels, check availability, and make reservations for you. Lost your way? ChatGPT can provide directions and help you get back on track. Whether you're navigating a new city or trying to find your gate at the airport, ChatGPT can guide you with step-by-step directions, ensuring you reach your destination without any hassle. ChatGPT can provide directions and help you get back on track. It can also offer tips on local attractions, dining options, and transportation, making your travel experience more enjoyable and less stressful. With ChatGPT by your side, you can embrace the unexpected and travel with confidence. No matter what challenges come your way, you can rely on ChatGPT to keep your trip on track and ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable journey. Section 11. Your journey starts now. Let ChatGPT plan your dream trip. Planning a trip has never been easier or more fun with ChatGPT as your personal travel assistant. Imagine having a knowledgeable friend who knows all the best spots, hidden gems, and must-see attractions right at your fingertips. Whether you're dreaming of a relaxing beach vacation, an adventurous mountain trek, or a cultural city tour, ChatGPT can tailor your itinerary to match your interests and preferences. Say goodbye to endless hours of research and stressful logistics. No more flipping through countless travel guides or getting lost in a sea of online reviews. ChatGPT simplifies the entire process, providing you with curated recommendations and seamless planning. From booking flights and accommodations to suggesting local eateries and activities, everything is taken care of. ChatGPT takes care of the details, so you can focus on what truly matters, creating unforgettable travel memories. Picture yourself exploring new destinations with ease, knowing that every aspect of your trip has been thoughtfully planned. Whether you're traveling solo, with friends, or with family, ChatGPT ensures that your journey is smooth and enjoyable. So what are you waiting for? The world is full of incredible places just waiting to be discovered. With ChatGPT, you can embark on your dream trip without the usual hassles. Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Unleash your wanderlust and let ChatGPT plan your next adventure. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long expedition, ChatGPT is here to make your travel dreams come true. Discover new cultures, taste exotic cuisines, and create stories that you'll cherish forever. The world is waiting to be explored, and with ChatGPT by your side, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, take the leap, and let ChatGPT guide you on an unforgettable journey. Your adventure starts now.